In this video, I'm going to break down useState hook in the simplest way for you to understand. Let's get started. Think about a volume button on your phone. When you turn it down, it stays that way until you change it again. That is because it remembers its state. In React, we use useState hook to make components remember things like button click, theme changes, and more. In this video, I will show you how useState works with a real-world example, a dark mode toggle. This is what you will see in every modern website. In here, I have my dark mode toggle function. The first thing you have to do is to import useState from React. Then inside the dark mode toggle function, we will use useState to create a piece of state called dark mode. The dark mode is our state variable. It stores whether dark mode is on or off. And set dark mode is a function that updates dark mode. And false here means dark mode is off by default. Now let's make it change the background. By doing that, we will turn a div that covers the full screen. Its background color will change based on the dark mode state. Let's break it down. If dark mode is true, the background will be dark and the text will be white. And if dark mode is false, the background will be white and the text will be black. Let's add a button inside the div that updates the dark mode state when clicked. And before the button will work, unless we add onClick function, this means that when we click the button, the function inside that button will run. Also, we have to pass our setDarkMode function to our button. This is the function we got from useState. This function updates the value of dark mode instead of directly setting dark mode to true or false. This parameter prevMode represents the previous value of dark mode before the button was clicked, and not prevMode flips the values. If previous mode was false, not prevMode becomes true. The reason why we use the prevMode instead of passing the dark mode directly is React state doesn't change instantly. Using the previous states ensure that React always works with the latest value, even if multiple updates happen quickly. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more.